What's up, guys? We back with another video. And in today's video, we will, well, we're going to be facing off against the Rams. Mirror. Nice. Oh, crap. He ran into a... What? We might lose this game. I might not be mad if we lose this, cause like they're like good, but you never know. Who got a PCL? Third. Oh, Awani. I don't even know what's his name. Oh, Cup. It's looking like the power backs. Let's get into this. Bet. Dang it. Gotta clamp him up.
Getting toward the halfway point of the NFL season. Week 7 is underway on EA Sports. Oh, a good-looking return set up here. And he nearly broke that.
Wait, no.
As it is, still a good return. They'll start the drive right around the 37. So out come the Rams now for their first possession. They'll be led out by the man who proclaims to be from a whole pack of Badgers. Came into the league back in 2012, Russell Wilson. And there was a
We don't care about no Russell Wilson.
No interceptions thrown by him. But he only threw one touchdown pass, and you know he wants that to improve. He might even consider that as part of the reason that they couldn't take the win last time out. I believe we'll see a more aggressive version of him this week whenever they're nearing the end zone.
Alright, more aggressive bet.
Second and 7.
What do we call it? Alright, we'll see.
Wilson. He finds his man complete. It's Reed.
He didn't get it.
That'll go for a gain of 7. And they'll be faced with a 3rd and inches.
Is he hurt? Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
They'll try to run.
Don't tell me Travis is hurt. Like,
Able to pick up the first across midfield to the 47.
is he really hurt?
Give him 7 yards on the play, and they do pick up.
Indigo. No, like, Travis is good.
The conversion on 3rd down.
I don't know why Travis is not playing. He must be injured.
Right back to Dobbins on 1st. A good
Must
space
be.
to operate there as he takes this down inside the 35-yard line. That's a gain of 13, 1st down Rams.
Stearns, you gotta hold it down, bro.
They'll go again with Dobbins. Down to about the 32. Well, this defense, Charles, really played well in that win a week ago.
It was a little bit of
Yeah, I know.
talking with the defense coordinator about their performance last week because the feeling was that it was a good, solid performance. They did what they needed to do to get the job done and get the win, but definitely a few lapses that they're looking to correct.
Wilson now to throw on third down. He's got his running back out of the backfield.
Like, why is he
He's gonna have a Rams
not
first
playing
down
if he's
by a
not
couple of
injured?
yards as they're able to convert here on 3rd and 3.
Did he get injured? I don't know. I really don't.
A give up the middle.
He's gonna die if you keep running the ball.
And not a whole lot of room to operate there on the first down run. He gets maybe 3. 2nd and 7. From the shotgun, Wilson. Pass caught on the out route by Mechie. And the Rams are going to be set up with a 1st and goal here as the tackle made at the 9. Now it's Wilson. And he'll just get rid of it.
I was about to say, bro.
He's scanning the field, looking. No
Tampa 2.
So in the end, he makes the best decision and just fires it over the end line.
Now Wilson toward the pylon, but it's incomplete.
It's been a good opening drive offensively thus far, but you know they don't want to waste it and settle for a field goal attempt after that incompletion. So this is a big play coming up here on 3rd down.
On 3rd and goal, Wilson. He'll swing this out to Dobbins. And he's
Yep.
able to get it down to the 2-yard line.
Stop asking.
They wind up with 6 on the hook up there,
Da
but it's
da
gonna
da
be 4th and
da
goal.
da 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 da. Y'all are going for it. Y'all are nutsy. And y'all get it, bro! Like, y'all actually suck. Our defense actually sucks.
It's the fullback. His 3rd rushing touchdown on the year. And the Rams' decision to
Y'all
go for
actually.
it pays off with 6 points. Extra point up and good by Sanders. And that makes the score 7-0. Now
Travis
after the
not
touchdown,
returning in, then he's not in the game. He's not in the game. Why is he not in this game?
beyond the goal line.
Let's go.
Good starting field position. He'll get this one all the way up to about the
Like,
35.
why is Travis not starting? Like, did he, like,
So out
what
comes
happened?
this offense to take over for the first time. And they
I
will
want
be
that
led out by the
touchdown passing ratio to be next.
Half of the season he's had
I just want it to be good.
to this point. It's been a tough man to slow down. So this defense,
All we need to do is score touchdowns. Touchdowns, touchdown,
field
touchdown.
position for them as they come up 1st and 10 at their 35-yard line.
Beans up. Yep, amazing catch.
He's got it.
I did follow you, Mr. Breezy.
They're going to have this across
I've been
midfield
followed
and
you.
inside the 45.
Thought he doesn't get his feet in.
Right sideline, but out of bounds, says the line judge. The throw took him a little too
Jair.
far. 2nd down.
Hit him with the feet.
They're going to look to throw.
Yeah. Oh my! I'm still lucky Jair sucks.
Just as he let that go.
I think that's gonna bite me in the butt.
The play action fake. They'll look to throw. Sliding out of the pocket.
Oh my gosh, Dylan Miro.
Inside the 30. Able to make something out of nothing there. 17 yards and a first down. Out of the gun. They'll look to throw. Flushed out right.
Thought. One hand snag.
Pulls it in. What a play. And he'll go out of bounds inside the 15-yard line. From the 13 now, they work on 1st and 10.
Cool. Dot. First down. Go.
That's the tight end fan. And all the way to the 2-yard line there before crossing over out of
Halfback
bounds.
dead.
1st and goal and a chance to
We always got. You
initial touchdown.
always gotta trust your.
McCaffrey.
Oh, like you always gotta trust Christian McCaffrey. A man.
Just power football.
A man like that, bro.
Line. Give it to him. He's able to push his way across.
yeah, they went heavy there. Sometimes you have those big offensive linemen come in after report like they're eligible. But all they're
No
doing
side.
is getting a good stance, blocking, and getting their
Give
runner
to
across the goal line.
Yo, Carlos.
Each team's had it. Each team has scored.
He ban, he
7-7
ban, he
yards
ban.
points away.
He ban, he ban here. Freaky boy, he's 16 God. Freaky boy, he gosh. Hey, 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 Murphy alive.
He'll get this to about the 23. The LA offense ready to go for their next drive. This drive here beginning probably with a pair of motivated groups. Remember, the offense scored a touchdown on their last time out. Looking to repeat that in Charles's defense. They were very frustrated after giving up 6 the last time on the field.
And frankly, it's just a battle of wills in a lot of ways because
It's like nobody's guarding. That's probably why we're giving up touchdowns. If Travis was here, he would have been strapping. Like, y'all need to work on y'all angles too.
He's gonna get his guys another first down. Back-to-back good runs to start the drive.
Like, bro,
yards. On 1st and 10, it's
those RPO. He made it.
his way up the middle for a gain of about 4. 2nd down.
The slants always work. Like, always. Slants will always work.
Now it's Wilson. Short
Nice.
Higbee. And that's good for a gain of 6. And it'll leave him with
Watch him still get this. Hello?
Good.
What's up?
Why do you leave?
I'm streaming right now.
Oh, yo.
What?
Let me see.
What do you mean?
I want to be on the stream.
I'm streaming right now. They can hear you.
Oh, they can?
Yes.
I mean, people.
I don't know. But I'll talk to you later right now. I'll talk to you later.
Alright. I'm going to try to call one of my friends.
Alright, peace.
See you.
See you. Let me pitch you on game.
So they just need 1 yard here to pick up.
They're gonna get this yard. How much? I'm betting you they're gonna get. I literally told you. I'm never wrong.
They only needed 1 yard on 3rd down. They get 10 instead by going to the air. On 1st down,
They're probably gonna score their drive too. They're gonna get a first time on this one. Sure. Run the ball. Turner, if you can get this stop, I'll give you more money. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And he'll get him inside the 15 down to the 14-yard line.
Should have known.
Appears we've got a member of the Rams shaking up on that last play. Here's a 1st and 10 at the 14-yard line. Now Wilson. He'll find Dobbins.
Oh my! What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
And the Rams have taken the lead. Extra point up and good by Sanders, and that makes the score 14-7.
Like,
now after the touchdown, ready to kick it away is Sanders.
don't know what happened to Travis, but better get back in this. Better, gotta get somebody started. Because our defense suck.
The offense now at the line, ready for their next drive.
No cap, I think I got one.
Now a play fake here on 1st down.
Wide open too. Oh my gosh, if he was...
So the big play gets him all the way down to the outskirts of the red zone here for 1st and 10.
Beans up.
Now a battle for the football. It's called.
2 plays. Let's go.
Brandon Ayuk with an acrobatic catch. And the Monarchs are within an extra point of tying up this ball game. The extra point splits the uprights, and we are tied at 14.
32. Nice. Nice. Oh my. Come on, let's go. Come on. If they get a field goal, they win.
Throwing now is Wilson.
They're probably in field goal range too.
Wilson trying to urge his guys to go faster and get set at the line.
Oh. He has like, bro.
Going into the slide there, Wilson has enough for the first. Counting down toward a minute to go in this football game. Here's a throw to his
Come on.
Now the defense going to use the first of their timeouts. That'll leave them with 2 remaining. We'll be back after this. On second down. Oh, no.
Get it! No!
And now this ball picked up by the offense. But here in the final 2 minutes of the game, this will be blown dead. Only the fumbler can advance the football. So this will go back to the spot of the fumble itself. A fake on the jet sweep and a give to Dobbins. And this play goes nowhere. Losing yardage back to the 15. Now the defense will burn their 3rd and final timeout. And
We're fine.
We take a break.
They're up by 1. We're fine.
And the sideline celebrates as they have taken the lead in the final minute. All right, so time to reset here.
Wow.
It's a huge kick there, gives them the lead, but they've got to be careful that their
The London
celebrations aren't a little too
Miracle.
premature.
You're exactly right about that, because there still is time for the other guys to run a few plays and get into field goal position. So this defense is going to need to come up with one final stop if they're going to get out of here with a victory.
He's
Shorter.
gonna let it fly.
Shorter!
That is going to be pulled in one-handed. Wow.
Oh my God.
He's gonna get this down
Shorter.
inside the 5 before he's out of bounds. Now 1st and goal. They'll try to run with McCaffrey. He takes it across for the touchdown, and they've taken the lead late in the final minute of the
We need a 2-pointer. Always gotta trust your running back. You have to. Because he's always gonna get it. He's always gonna get it! 2.
That gives them a 7-point lead. Needed a couple yards for the 2-point try. They go
All I need is touchdown and field goal.
Sometimes it's the exact right thing to do, because a lot
All
of
they
teams
need is a
when you go to
touchdown.
pass, so you spread
Stop.
people out,
33.
decide to run the football, you often find good running lanes.
And with time
Just 33 seconds, bro. That's all we.
take a knee, and they'll start things out at the 25. Here's first.
So they're not gonna run, so we don't have to worry about the run. Unless they be stupid.
Now Wilson being chased out left.
Like, why are you running the ball? I know you have touchdown. I mean, timeout.
Defensively, they'll say you can have that. The Rams going to go ahead and use the first of their timeouts.
We're fine. Unless you let them throw a bomb.
27
We're fine.
seconds showing on the clock. Wilson to throw. He finds his
Get him.
man complete.
Nice.
That's Reed. Now the Rams will signal for a timeout, their 2nd. That'll leave them with just 1 remaining in this 4th quarter of play.
Come on.
Here's Wilson. And he's got
No.
his man on the out route.
Yes.
The Rams going to be forced to use their 3rd and final timeout. And as the 2 teams talking over on their respective sidelines,
This
we take
not.
a break.
There's still 2 plays left.
He's back to throw. He's going to loft one deep left
Game
side
time.
here.
Yo, what is snag? Oh my God! Oh my gosh! One hand snag! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! To end the game! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! To end the game! Or safety, one-handed. That ball. Oh my God. Yo. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That one was in the air for an agonizingly long time.
Just begging to be picked off, wasn't it? It's one thing if you're throwing a ball like that, trying to throw someone open or lead them.
That is intercepted. Picked off by Antonio Johnson. The rookie
I don't think we're gonna do it again.
And he'll learn that you have to hold the safety. And you do that with your head movement, your eyes, sometimes your shoulders.
Game time, Stearns.
So that you can get
Pick.
back to the throw that you really want to make.
Let's go!
Thinking his guy was open, that he made it easy for the defensive back to go get the football.
But all came down to one final jump.
Just like last game, came to the final possession. Freaking go, man. What people say, you could be from north side. Let's go. Here, fan. Like, let's go, man. Cannot stop us. I'm not gonna want to with that one-hand pick. He's so crazy. He's so cool. I thought you should just pick it off, but in style, one-hand pick in style. To end the game. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. See you on the next one. Peace.